Meaning of Grub Street.
Grub Street.
Grub Street.
Grub Street.
Grub Street. Grub Street is a term that originated in 17th-century London to refer to a street inhabited by impoverished writers, journalists, and other literary figures who produced hackneyed and often poorly written works to make a living. Over time, the term Grub Street came to symbolize the world of literary hacks and poor-quality writing more broadly. Today, it is often used as a pejorative term to describe lowbrow writing, particularly in journalism or advertising, where style and substance are sacrificed for sensationalism and clickbait headlines.